Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing dollargifted.com. And as you can see, we're here in the website, which is actually pretty shady. So it says right here, complete the steps below to claim your $500 Dollar Tree gift card. So steps to qualify, click on the get started below, enter your email and basic information, which is pretty shady. Why would we need to enter our basic information to get a $500 gift card? Complete 5 recommended deals required. Claim your $500 Tree gift card. So as you can see, this website is pretty shady right off the bat. They didn't even try to make it more pleasing or less scam looking. And as you can see right here on Scam Advisor, the trust score is 1 out of 100. So the positive highlights is that the only positive highlight is that the SSL certificate is valid, and the negative highlights are a lot more. So according to Trenco, this site has a low rank. The registrar has a high percent of scammers and fraud sites. This website has received negative reviews. This website is very young. This website is reported for phishing and IQ abuse scan. This website has been marked as a threat by DNS filter in the last 30 days. So please do not use this website. Having a $500 gift card just by completing 5 deals is too good to be true. Is one of those scams wherein you complete or watch a survey or answer some questions. Basically, they're just getting your information, and please do not use this app or this website. It is a scam. So yeah, that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.